Hi all, and welcome to the new Coolabah ordering system. Once you have created your login, you should be brought to this page. There are different sections to this page. We have the main menu bar at the top, the sidebar for categories, and our complete and full product list on offer. For ordering a complete system, you're going to want to click the Create a Kit button, and this will drop down a menu of all the products you'll need. So you've got your condenser compressor unit, the evaporator, charger, accessories, and battery. Once you've clicked into your products list, there are two ways to order. If you already know what you're looking for, you can simply click the Add to Cart button, and that will just add it to your cart straight away. If you are, however, unsure and want some more information, you can click into the product and you'll get a product description and what it includes. You'll also get, if you click into it, specifications. Depending on the size of your truck and what you're fitting to it, you might need to know this to get a different product. So once you've selected your condenser compressor unit, you'll then move over to your evaporator, then to your charger, then accessories. So you'll need a hose box and a wiring box, and then battery. We also offer extras such as painting your battery, so if you want to add that on, you can. Then you should head to your cart and everything that you've ordered will be in here. If you've realized that you've ordered the wrong thing, you can just delete it and update your cart. If you've forgotten to order something, you can just go back. Let's say you're ordering for a Volvo and you've gotten a standard charger and you forgot to order a charger mount, you can just add that on, head back to your cart, and it will be there. Also, on this page, you can see our contact information. So if you're looking to send back warranties or if you have a question about orders, all the contacts are there. So let's check out. Once you click checkout, all of your customer information should already be loaded. However, if you would like to change it, you totally can. Edit it, and then you'll choose your shipping method, the invoice, and confirm your order. Here's where you can add any notes about the truck. So if you want to put the model in there, you can, or the chassis number. Add your purchase order number. This will be attached to your invoice and your preferred delivery date. Also, if you have any comments about any of the products, you can also leave them in. Then confirm your order, and if you want to come back and look at all your previous orders, you can just click your orders tab down here and search, and those should all come up. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at julia@coolabahdcac.com, or you can give me a call. My number's in the top left corner up here. Thank you for your time. Bye.